Lesson 8. Time. Okay, we know the numbers, we know days of the week, we know how to say the date in the calendar. Now we go and try to study how to tell the time. The dialogue must be very easy for you. It's what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. We are going to study different examples just to cover up all the possibilities. And here we start with this specific one, o'clock. Look at the clock. It's 3 o'clock. And this small part in red we put to the times when there is 00 minutes. Okay, that's very important. When it's even, we just put o'clock. Okay, that's the very basic example. Then, after 5 minutes, we need to study something more. Look at this situation on the clock. We have, look at here, 5 minutes, and on the right side of the clock, we say past. So it's 3:05. Okay, of course, we never say 5 minutes past 3 because it's so obvious that we can skip this info. Okay, it's just past 3:05. After the next 5 minutes, what do we have in here? It's 3:10. We are still in this right side of the clock. After the next 5 minutes, what's the situation? We could say it's 3:15, of course, but it's much more common to say in English it's 3:15. And quarter is just this 15 minutes that we've got. So that also should be easy. If this word might be maybe a little bit difficult to you, you can think of it like k and water that you can drink. Then you have quarter, easy to pronounce. Alrighty, after the next 5 minutes, what's the situation? It's 3:20. We are still in the right side of the clock. It's 3:20. Another 5 minutes pass, and then we have it's 3:25. Okay, so we went through almost the half of the clock. Now we are going exactly to the half. And we have this situation, which is still past. But we do not usually say it's 3:30. We usually say it's 3:30. Okay? Because we are just in half of the clock. It's 3:30. Okay? We went through the half of the clock. So, what's next? Next, we need to do some math. And in this situation, exactly 5 minutes later, we need to use a new word, which is, look at here, it's 25:4. How do I know that? I just count. 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25. So it's 25 more minutes that needs to pass until we get the next full hour. Okay? So it's 25 minutes to the next one, which is 4. It's 25 to 4. Okay? I hope that's easy. Let's follow after the next 5 minutes. That's the situation. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Easy to count that it is 20 to 4. Okay? The next 5 minutes later, what do we have? 5, 10, 15. But you know we not usually say 15, we say quarter. So how to put it together? It's 3:45. Okay? After the next 5 minutes, What do we have? We have 5:10. So it's 10 to 4 because we have only 10 minutes to go to 4 o'clock. Okay? And after the next 5 minutes, that should be very easy for you. It's 5 to 4. Okay? We went through the whole clock, step by step, every 5 minutes. Now we go and study a little bit more. Here you have in the bottom left corner all you need to remember from the previous slide. Now the extra information is that we put AM or PM in English. There are different countries in the world looking at the time in a different way. I come from Poland when we usually say not 3 but 15 in our language. But in English, it's never 3, never 15, it's always 3. 3 p.m. PM means after noon. Okay, so this is the noon, 12 o'clock, when the sun is in the highest point over the soil. And after this 12 o'clock, we say every hour is PM until midnight. This is also 12 o'clock. Okay, so between noon and midnight, we've got PM. And then later, between midnight and noon, we have AM. Okay, so here we go, making some examples using this, my original Polish way of looking at time, so that it's easier for us to study. Look at here. What time is it? Think for a while. It's 13 past 6 a.m. Okay, we have 30 minutes after, so we say past the 6 and we put a.m., so it's in the morning, early morning. Next example, look at here, we have 30 minutes. What do we say when we have 30 minutes? We say it's 9:30, here we go, 9 a.m. The next example, look at here. It's 18. We never say in English that it's 18. What do we say? We say 6. And the minutes, it's 6:02 p.m. Okay, so this is the late afternoon, 6:02 p.m. Another one, look at here, at night or very late evening, what do we have? First of all, look at minutes, that we have 15, so we say quarter. And what is the time here? It's 23, so it's easy to count. It's before midnight, which is 12, so this must be 11. So we go with, it's 11:15 p.m. Okay? And the one more is here. We have the time, which is on the left side of the clock, 55 minutes. So we count, we do our math, and we count that it's only 5 more minutes until the next full hour. And which one would that be? We have 13 in here, and the next one is 14. 14 must be here, too. So it's 5:02 p.m. Okay, please stop the video now and analyze these examples one more time. Okay, everything clear? So now can you tell me what time is it now when you are listening to this video? I would say it's 1:30 p.m. It's 1:30 p.m. I hope you got it.